Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, we can see that there isn't an obvious trend because market has break and closed above the high, and it doesn't break and close above the previous one. But even that, it has a break of the support one time and retrace up about 88.6 and it started to go into consolidation. That's why on the daily chart there isn't a distinct trend. Head down to the 4-hour chart, that's when things get a bit interesting. We have over here a break and close below the previous low. Alright, so when you eyeball the chart, it's very important to really measure it and look at the definition of closing price. If it happened below the low, then it's a break and close below the support. So this is a starting point. With this as a starting point reference, the market has break towards the upside, and this as a starting point, it has break and close below the low once again. So on the 4-hour chart, there isn't an obvious trend as well. To the 1-hour chart, very obvious downwards movement. Alright, so even with that, we start to see what we call a double bottom, and market has reversed. Alright, so even that is a shorting opportunity. So traders based on support structures may be looking at 10713 for a shorting opportunity, this area over here. Okay, so just wait up. Head to daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis on a 4 time frame. Alright, so over here 10787 I've been repeating since weeks ago before even the market touches this price and start to hover down, and this is the level that we are looking for a shorting or a buying opportunity, depends on how the candle close. So right now things are clear, we are waiting for a shorting opportunity. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we got over here. If heading towards a lower price at 10631, then I'm waiting for a bullish bet buying opportunity over here for a counter trend trade. And I'm more interested on this 1-hour chart. Alright, so when you see this is the sell zone. We can even increase or rather lengthen it, and my way of do it is to go to the properties and other coordinates and just increase it, so I will not accidentally change the width of the sell zone, which is very important, and to me I feel it's much faster and easier. Alright, so this is on the 1-hour chart, the sell zone. But if you watch closely over here, there is a longer tail. On the 1-hour chart, maybe nothing much, but if you hit down to 1 time frame lower, this is our bearish shark trading opportunity. So at 10704, I'm waiting for a candle confirmation to hit in for a shorting opportunity. The fact that on the daily chart overall it is a selling opportunity. How do you like this, man? How to put things together? A trading setup that may seems like nothing much to most. In fact, there are some consideration for engagement, and that's what we do. Alright, so what's going to happen? You can choose if you want to scan this QR code and get into our community. You can interact with our traders and stuff like that. Depends on your membership access, whether you see 1 or 2 chat room. At the minimum, you can communicate with us. Enroll courses, the same thing. It really depends on your membership to see how many courses you can unlock. And if you scroll down, we have trade ideas as well. Also, membership dependence on how many trade ideas you can see per month. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Next week, we are having a workshop webinar. So check out this link by scanning the QR code, and looking forward to see you very soon in our community. All the best, traders.